Welcome back, esteemed viewers, to our channel where we empower you with the knowledge and tools to enhance your online security and privacy. Today, we're going to explore the process of downloading and importing HTTP custom config files, a crucial step in maximizing your VPN experience and configuring it for specific needs. Step 1. Initiating the search. Begin your journey by opening your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, and entering UDP custom site into the search bar. This will lead you to the website we'll be using for this setup. Step 2. Navigating the menu. Once you're on the UDP custom website homepage, look for the menu button. It's usually located in the top left or right corner. Tap on it to open the options. Step 3. Selecting Slow DNS Config. From the menu presented, select Slow DNS Config. This will guide you to the configuration files designed to optimize your VPN connection for enhanced privacy and security. Step 4. Choosing the HTTP Custom Slow DNS option. Select HTTP Custom Slow DNS from the available options. This will lead you to a collection of HTTP custom config files specifically tailored for slow DNS settings. Step 5. Downloading the config file. Tap on the download option to access the available config files. Carefully choose a file that suits your needs and tap on it to initiate the download. Step 6. Installing HTTP Custom VPN. To use the downloaded config files, head to the Google Play Store and install the HTTP Custom VPN app on your device. This app will act as your secure connection gateway. Step 7. Launching the VPN app. Open the HTTP Custom VPN app. You'll be directed to its home screen. Step 8. Navigating to import options. Locate and tap on the plus icon within the app, usually found in the upper right corner or at the bottom of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Open Config. Step 9. Selecting the config file. You will be directed to your file manager. Locate the folder where your downloaded config files are stored. Carefully select the file you wish to import and tap on it. Step 10. Initiating the VPN connection. Once the config file is imported, tap on the Connect option to start the VPN. The imported config file will apply the necessary settings to ensure a secure and private connection. Let's stay connected. For continued support and engagement, join us on Telegram and WhatsApp. You can find the links in the video description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Leave a comment if you have any questions.